So a quick update while I'm putting this back together. After analyzing what was going on there, the machine was stopping on 1, 2, 4, and 8 just fine. But whenever it would index to 3, 5, 7, and 6, it would not. It would index there, but it would throw an alarm on the control. So my theory is, and we will see how this holds up. Actually, I don't need to put all these screws in because I'm going to take it all back out probably anyway. My theory is that there was a bit that I did not put any magnets on the encoder wheel for, which is the turret parity. And because I wasn't quite sure what it was going to want to see for turret parity. So, like I said, it was stopping on 1, 2, 4, and 8, but not, and it would stop there, but it would throw an alarm on 3, 5, 7, and 6. So my thought is that it wants to see that turret parity switch as well on those. So, a smarter man would have indexed it to tool number 8 before I took it all apart. But that's okay. Let me go to tool data. Number 2. Yeah, it is on 2. So I'm going to go to like number 8. I'm going to ask it to go to number 8. Over. Cycle start. And I'm going to e-stop it. That way it's in the open. We're going to manually index it to tool number 8. Release. The e-stop. Bring it over. And then I'm going to spin the spindle and just kind of eyeball that tool on center. Because right now the turret is completely free. So I'm going to get it pretty close. Maybe I'll hand jog a little bit closer so we can really see what's going on. I would say it's pretty good. Pretty close to center. So right now the hydraulics are holding the turret out. And once I e-stop and power off, the turret pulls in because the hydraulics turn off. So then I'll turn the machine back on, release the e-stop, go into monitor, reset. Standby. All right, we're good to go. So now we're on turret number 8, and I got to rehook up my little breadboard. And I don't actually remember which one is positive and negative. And this really cheap Chinese LED, you can barely see which one's the flat. So I'm just going to hook it up. One way or the other. And touch 101. Alright, that's backwards. Again, 50-50 chance of getting it right, 90% chance of getting it wrong. Alright, there we go. Now, I want to put the 102 as ground. I'm going to put this on turret 8. Position 8, that's number 88. Light is off. Here we go. I'm gonna grab that encoder. Oh, I tightened it down. Why would you tighten it down? Man, this screw that's back in there is really kind of tough to get to. Let's see, can I do it? Yeah, it's still locked down. Okay, there it is. Use the poor camera. Okay, there we go. Loose. Does it move? It does. Alright. Slowly turning. At some point. Ah, there we go. again, I'm going to mark, I'm turning it clockwise right now. Real slow. There we go. And again, I'm just going to mark the encoder. Pretty soon the encoder's going to be completely full of marks, but I'm going clockwise right now. So I'm going to take it past. I'm going to bring it back counterclockwise until the light turns on. Let's try it again. There we go. Make another mark. And I will tighten it down right between the two marks. And now, I'm going to jog away from the spindle a little bit. And we're going to go tool data. I know that number 1 should work. And so we're going to verify that nothing has changed and that 1 still works. Cool. Same thing, we're going to go back to turret number 8. Over. And we're going to go start. Fantastic.